Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Picked up a couple things at SpeedTek RC on their website. I'll leave a link down below for SpeedTek RC. Picked up a set of hexes for the power tool for the drill. These are pretty nice. They look good. They were made out of SK51 steel. They got a little bit of weight to them. Let's open these bad boys up. It comes with a sticker, SpeedTek RC. Well, these are nice. They're all color coded. So you can tell them apart. Should all be labeled too. Come on, get out of there. Yeah, look at these. These are nice. Yeah, there's your 1.5, 2.0. There's a 3, which is good. I started using 3.0 bolts, the 4mm bolts for the arrma 6S lineup for the motor mount, because the other one started stripping, so you get a better grip. And then your 2.0, nice colored. So you can tell which ones they are. Okay, those are nice. Yeah, they're made out of SK51 steel, precision cut. The tips look really nice. We'll have to try these out. Give them a test, right? So I'm gonna start using these and see how they hold up. They're 27 bucks. Use my 10% off, you know, what, 25 bucks, free shipping in the United States, in the lower 48, or as he says, continental United States. So those are nice, right? And then I picked up a gear. This is a 50 tooth mod 1 for my Max. We're gonna put a steel gear in there. The part number 540546. And here's a part number for this. I'll leave links down below for both of these, the website link. And if you guys are anywhere near JJ Customs, you can go to JJ Customs and pick these up too. They sell them there. And just walk in and get it. But yeah, these are nice, guys. These are, I saw these. Those are good for around here. And then I'm gonna take my old set and put it in my toolbox for when I go out bashing or racing or whatever, and I'll have a nice little set in there too. So, but yeah, we'll give these a test. I got a couple builds. As you know, I got my infraction build going on, coming up here soon. I just got a couple more pieces. Where you saw I bought a couple more cups from rchopups. So. Yeah, stay tuned for all that, guys, and we'll be putting this in and seeing what we can do with the Max. Give it a little more power, maybe a bigger pinion also. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and go check out SpeedTek RC. Get your gears. Have a good one, guys.